Hey, yay! Welcome, welcome to DeeDee's Main Thing, where I treat you just like a queen or a king. Welcome. Today I have plated just a little snack. I have a smoked sausage here and potato salad here, made in the microwave. Yeah. I have this napkin here so the plate don't clack. Look at that potato salad. If I didn't tell you it was done in the microwave, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. Okay. I'm going to bless my food and get started. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for my body's nourishment. For Christ's sake, amen, amen, amen again. So how you guys doing? Good, I hope. Can't believe it. Every time it's time to eat, it's like, make sure I'm not forgetting nothing, and I bless my food. Got my lights on. This is it, huh? Lights, camera, action. So a little smoked sausage. And a lot of potato salad. That smoked sausage have a little kick to it. It's supposed to be a little beef sausage at that. I just poured this water. It's nice and cold. I forgot the ice cubes. It's so cold. It's ice. Ice, baby. Oh no, I didn't hear that. AC just came on. Oh well, I guess stranger things have happened. So what's going on? What are you doing? How you been? What's going on? Today, everybody was pretty much in relax mode. If you had some people come to your house, you want to clean up a little bit before they come, Everybody got a clutter spot. You go to that. So before people come, you want to clean up. Then while they're there, you done cooked all the food and everything. Then after they leave, you sure gonna clean up. So there's a lot of people that are just in leave me alone mode today. I think I'm one of them. That's okay though. It's all good. When my kids were younger, everybody would come to my house, so I wouldn't bring my kids to their house. And yeah, you clean up before. I cooked everything. I never let you bring nothing to my house. And then, when it got time for me to sit down, everybody's talking about, okay, I gotta go to work tomorrow. I gotta get up at this. What? I just sat down. They fix some plates, ready to go. Okay. I was so happy when my kids grew up and I didn't have to do the hosting all the time. Just don't know. When you're done, it's okay. But when you get older, you don't want to be bothered with that too much. I have to check this thing out. I thought I caught myself getting a smoked sausage. I got something with some heat to it. This salad is good. This is good. Good and chunky. You think so? Try it. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine is. Today, when you make the potatoes in the microwave, it steams in its own juice. You don't just sit in a pot of water and absorb the water, and you can taste the difference. You gotta try your potatoes in the microwave. They taste like real potatoes, rather than potatoes that have been sitting in a pot of water. You gotta try it. Same thing with the corn. Why let your corn sit in water? And then you bite it, stick to your teeth, and put that thing in the microwave for 3 or 4 minutes, okay? You're done with it. It'll be perfect, depending on your microwave, the size of the corn. Delicious. And it actually tastes like a potato. Try that out. I see you eyeing my fork full of charbroiled beef sausage with a kick to it and potato salad. Best thing yet. Mm-hmm. And then, once you do your potato, just do what you do after that. Mayonnaise, chop up your onions, bell pepper, onion, bell pepper, relish. I put red onion in here today. Or at least this time, not today. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be delicious. Delish. Mm-hmm. The one thing that I wanted to put in here that I did not have, celery. Celery is so good. Celery is so good. It's like some people put in onion powder, celery powder. It's like, wait a minute, you taking away from the freshness. We want a crunch. Mm-hmm. Tune in, chime in what you have. Let me know. I got a little bit more of my sausage, but I ran out of potato salad. I'm gonna give you another scoop of potato salad. I forgot something. A straw. Ooh, I forgot a straw. That's okay, baby, because this thing is over. Over. It's all over with. Got these two little pieces here. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, man. And I made my potato salad with just two big russet potatoes. I probably could have got away with one, but I used two russet potatoes. I made a good, pretty sized dish just for me. That's why I made the sausage, because I didn't want to throw out the potato salad. I wanted to just eat it. almost down to the last drop now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey you guys. Stay safe. Mm-hmm. Stay blessed. Please remember to thumbs up this video. And comment. Comment, comment, comment. Let me know what you had. Let me know what you think about my potato salad in the microwave. Oh yeah, the sausage wasn't too bad either. Still got a little kick burning my mouth. Just comment down below. Let me know all those things. What you're feeling, how you're feeling. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I need subscribers. And comment, comment, comment. I'll give you a ticket for the drawing at the end of the month. And I want you to have a wonderful day. And I want you to be nice and be kind to everybody you meet. Everybody, just be nice, just be kind all the time. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Stay in your lane, okay? So you don't have an accident. I love you all. Bye-bye. To the next video. That's when I'll see you. I'll see you on the next video. Okay? Drink some water. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. You got to. It's a must.